Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. I think this is one of the best looking Trans Ams, the red with the white and these wheels. Perfect combination. It was born this way. It is a 455 with a 4-speed. I have $29,000 in receipts on work that was just done last year on this car. If you go to volocars.com, that's where you can read all the specs, study about 100 photos, get the price, not only on this car, but we have a few hundred collector cars all for sale at volocars.com. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, you'll be notified as they come out. But right now, why don't we go for a spin in this 4-speed Trans Am. Restore a Muscle Car. They are in Nebraska. They specialize in Trans Ams. I have itemized invoice that's $29,029 right here for last year, work that was done to it. I also have the Pontiac Historical documentation, which verifies it was born like you see it, with the exception of the 400 motor was beyond repair, and they put a 455, a 1972 455 motor. It's going to be a lot more powerful than what they took out. They went through and rebuilt the motor. Well, let's talk about the outside. Good, clean, straight body. It's a perfect 5-footer. That means you stand 5 feet away. It's gorgeous. It's glossy. It's smooth. It's all metal. It's not rusted. These big doors always have door dings. This one doesn't. All clean. Not all chipped up. No rust. No damage. I opened the door. Bottom of the door is clean. So it has an excellent body. But it's a 5-footer because there's some paint flaws. When you get up close, this is the worst of it right here. Something really gouged the paint. They touched it up with a brush. On the rubber bumper, there's some minor imperfections in the paint. So it's beautiful to look at, but like I'm saying, a 5-footer. You'll find flaws if you look for them. I bought the car because it was gorgeous. The decals have been replaced. The decals match the wheels real nicely. The bumpers are in excellent shape. The rubber bumpers all real nice. The emblem's new. I believe the grills are new. They look to be excellent. The tires and wheels are brand new last year. I think that's one of the best looking wheels of all time. That's a snowflake wheel, and these are the 8-inch wide, so it has that extra lip right here. New center caps, new BF Goodrich tires. The shaker scoop's in nice shape. They neatly cut it out so it actually lets the air in. The mouldings here, that's an option. The windshield's in nice shape. These mouldings around here and around the windshield, that's like an anodized, and it's kind of cloudy. I don't know if those are available or can be replaced or restored. Door handles look nice, got the sport mirrors. Rear bumper and spoiler, all that fits real nice. There's some hairline cracks in the paint right there. Little chip right here touched up. The interior, it's a deluxe interior. These Trans Ams have really comfortable seats. They got big bolsters. You kind of just sink into the seat. The white upholstery overall is in really nice shape. Door panels, all really, really good. Carpets look real nice. Has a tilt wheel with the formula, cushion grip steering wheel. But I noticed the steering column has some chips, and they might have touched it up a little bit. Factory rally gauges in the dash, that looks good. Console's good. It's got a 4-speed with the Hurst T-handle shifter. Open the hood. We'll start it up in a minute. I drove the car home, thinking at first, like, this thing's pretty mild. When you put your foot into it and open it up, this thing goes. 455 motor, they went through, new bearings, timing chain, it's all in the invoices there. They went through the motor. It does have factory HO exhaust manifolds. It does have a polished aluminum intake with a big giant dual feed Holley carb that's rebuilt. has electric choke, HEI ignition, new correct style chrome valve covers. Also has a chrome alternator and a chrome power steering pump. See, the door panels are all real nice, the plastic's real nice, the straps, the handles, all that's really good. Inside the glove box is real nice. Now inside the trunk, it's all solid metal, and they put that sound deadener on the trunk floor. You can buy that whole kit and line the whole thing out is what I would do. This is painted nice, got the stickers. Looks like the original weather strip, but it's in good shape. There's an Alpine stereo. It turns on. I didn't play around with it. And there's 6x9 speakers. There's also wires back here, like it might have had an amp and a subwoofer. Someone took that out. So you can tinker with that how you want. It does have a stereo. You can add the rest of the stuff back to it. Underneath the car is completely solid, actually. The floors still have the factory primer on the floors. Nice, dry, clean underside. The front end looks like it's been gone through pretty thoroughly. There's a new starter, and it's got a new custom exhaust system. It's got the X pipe. It's got the splitter tips. It has another really cool feature, electric cutouts. So you hit a button, and it opens up, like right off the engine, and it'll rattle your neighbor's windows. Well, we fire it up right now. Okay, nice and mild-mannered. Also has a rear window defroster. Now there's a switch that opens the exhaust, and honestly I probably should have looked for that before I started the video. Headliner's real nice. Yeah, nice and mild-mannered. I was driving it home and I got on it, and that's when it surprised me. It gets up and goes when you want it to. Also has a brand new plated brake booster, the radiator, the fan clutch is new, the shroud is excellent, it has the overflow bottle, Optima battery. There's a sticker here, the Bandit Run, Restore a Muscle Car. Who built this car, they put on that event. It has to do with all Trans Ams. I've seen some pictures online. It's like a car rally that they do with Trans Ams. They must have stopped at Gas Monkey Garage from the TV show. There's pictures of Dennis Rawlings with this car. You'll get a picture. I apologize, I don't know where the button is for the exhaust. It sounds pretty good without it, but when you open those up, it sounds real loud. So anyway, go to volocars.com. Plenty of ways to contact our staff. They'll help answer any questions or concerns about the car, the shipping, the financing, the whole process. Let us know how we can help you. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You'll be the first to see the next one that comes out. Thanks for watching. Who's that guy that so rudely